So I want to show you all something. It's pretty cool on this Xtool D9. So go up here like to your updates. You see I got a whole bunch here. But like we'll check here, like you click this one. Like diagnosis, let's go for the Rolls-Royce one here. Okay. Diagnosis Rolls-Royce. It adds update to the VIN library and trouble codes and things like that. It'll tell you what it's getting ready to update. Like Immobilizer, Lexus. It added a 2019 mechanical key matching function. Immobilizer Romero, Kia. So this is pretty cool. I like how you can like click on it and it'll tell you what it's getting ready to really add to. Here's a big one, but you'll never use this. It's some of those whack cars they got. Let's see here, Mini. Adds VIN library, trouble codes, e-chassis programming. So this is pretty cool. And then of course you just boom, update all. And it's doing its thing. Alright, I just wanted to show you all that. I really like this D9. Been having good luck with it. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.